Y'all, this stuff look like it's gone. My first video ever with me doing my makeup. So I'm gonna just show y'all everything I have right now before we get started. Have some biodegradable makeup remover wipes, the blending sponge, I guess that's what's called. Got it. Bear with me, y'all, because I don't know about makeup. But I have this. Don't look like nothing in there. But anyways, I have this, and this is Color Perfect by Black Radiance. Yeah. Perfect Finish HD powder. And I guess you're supposed to put this on after you apply your makeup. Also have some primer that you spray before you do your makeup. And this is by Wet n Wild Cucumber. I actually got this, heard about this from my sister. She uses this. So, y'all, bear with me. So, the first, oh, wait. I also have concealer, and this is by Black Radiance. So what I'm gonna do, because I just want to do the basic, I just want to basically do something like a natural face. So I'm going to apply this under here first. Well, after I apply my primer. Apply my primer first, of course. Then I'm gonna apply this under here, and then I'm gonna apply the foundation, and then I'm going to apply, I don't know, this, and then I might also put on my lashes just to see how I do with all of it on. Hopefully this stuff matches my skin color. I might need to go and take it back and get another bottle, because this bottle has nothing in it for real, okay? So with that being said, I'm gonna get started, and I'm gonna be quiet because I'm gonna put music on so that I can do this and you guys can follow with me as I do this.
You alone, probably cut you out and unlovable. I bet she'd be glad that she was gone. You were gone, and then she wouldn't have to worry. If your girl only knew that you was trying to get with me, what would she do? If your girl only knew that you was trying to get with me, what would she do? If your girl only knew that you was trying to get with me, what would she do? If your girl only knew that you was trying to get
like? What it looking 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 like? So now I'm gonna add lashes. Even though my lashes are already long, I'm just gonna add lashes just to see how it looks. Do the whole shebang, you know. So I'm gonna add these lashes. It was given to me at my photo shoot.
If your girl only knew. If your girl only knew. If your girl only knew.
So one is on. So that one was a little hard to get on, y'all. Bear with me. Looks like one maybe, I don't know, thicker than the other. I don't know, y'all, but they really throwing me off. I don't know if maybe something is lifted. So hopefully I did that. Then I'm just gonna put on a small little lippy. Gotta do it all. I don't know if I'm feeling this lip. I don't know if I'm feeling this lip, y'all. No. I don't know. Might need another type of lip. So I am done. And again, my name is Nat Namana Ray. If you haven't subscribed, what are you waiting for? This was my first time applying this makeup, you guys. And the lip that I applied, I forgot to tell you, the lip was Avon Chocolate Kiss. And I just used the pencil that I got from my local beauty store. All of this stuff, Black Radiance and all of these I got from drugstore, Walgreens, and I paid maybe $30 for all of this stuff. I hope I did good, y'all. Tell me what I did, how I did. I mean, I know this is my first time. This is something that I would try to do for, like, you know, if I don't feel like going to pay for somebody to do my makeup, because I just want to take a, you know, a small little photo shoot, mini photo shoot for myself or whatever. I'll just go and do my own makeup, and then voila, just a natural face, y'all. Just so it can be, you know, looking like something. You know what I'm saying? So again, tell me how I did. Comment below. Tell me how I did. Tell me what's your favorite drugstore makeup product, foundation, all of that stuff, all that. And let me know, y'all. Let me know. Really, honestly, truly, be real with me. How did I do? Tell me if I should have did something longer. Well, put something on, more on of something. I don't know. Or if there's something else that I should use as for the powder brush, which I think, I mean, this powder stuff, I think I should get like the little brush or whatever. So next time I'll have the little brush for whenever I do this. But again, this was just something fun, and I had fun. It didn't take long at all. Don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe.